Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is October 28, 2020, and I'm just doing a really quick educational video. And the reason why I'm doing this video is I wanted to show you just something on these charts. As you can see, you have chart A, chart B, and chart C. And what have you noticed about these three charts? They all have kind of a similar pattern. Market goes up, market comes down, market comes up, peaks up, market comes down, and then it takes off. Same thing here, takes off like crazy, and this one is doing basically all the same patterns, as you can see. Okay? Get there, put it back. You can kind of see earlier in the year, it's pushing up, bouncing down, deep retracement, June, July, somewhere around there, peaking up to the top and crashing down. Same thing here, really deep, a bigger retracement, comes back up, not as smooth here, but you can see it vibrating down and then taking off again. And here we have more of a clear pattern, but it's still dropping down. Well, the difference is between this chart here, second chart number 2, and this chart here. 2012 election, 2016 election, and where we are today. What I'm getting at is the markets, they always try to do the same thing. We look at the news, people get worried, and you have to look at the big picture. Please tell me why every election it looks like it's going to crash and takes off again. Same thing here. This was the big crash here, the big drop, and takes off again, and here we're doing the exact same thing over and over and over again. The market makers are just setting up their positions, confusing us as traders, retail traders, so they can take the monies. As you can see here, look at this beautiful W pattern. This one was more a little August to October, and you can let's see our August October one here. No, it's a smaller one, but you can see where the retracements are, and you'll see that over and over and over again. Here this one was, they had it later in the year, but everything is matching up, as you can see. W pattern up, down, W pattern up, down. So this is it for the video. It's not that long. It's only about 3 minutes long. And what I want to do, show you as retail traders, is we can literally look at historical charts, see where the pattern is. So this one is 2012. So look how the pattern's happening before the election. There would be October, November. So as you can see, it looks like it's crashing like crazy. It's doing the exact same thing. And so when you're using the indicators of the swing scanner, etc., so what I'm showing you here, let me go to my current chart here. I'm going to close these charts now. This one, and this one, we don't need them anymore. And I will go to my regular daily chart if I didn't close it yet. Maybe I have. Yeah, okay, let me just load it up here for you. Let me just go to my daily chart here. ES 1220 day chart. That's a daily profile. Got so many templates I've written for people. They asked me to do. There we go. Let's go to our daily profile. So we're in that pattern, and as you can see, the market's crashing once again. And what you have to notice is where it started off to currently where we are. You're 167 points into the money if you were taking the short position of what I've told you where the sell opportunity is. This one, interestingly enough, is going to be on Halloween. So we'll see what happens on Halloween, but it's close to an election, so we'll have to see what the vibration pattern is. But other than that, that's all I really wanted to show you today is when you're looking at this pattern, you can load up charts, go check the previous elections, go back 2008, 2000 and see what the patterns are, and you will find one, basically the same pattern as you saw before. Other than that, this is Mike. Just make sure you pinpoint your trades safe, join our Discord, and you guys have a great day.